Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. We've got a brand new F350 in front of us today that's about to get handed over to the customer. So this truck looks awesome. Brand new shape, brand new model. Let's do a walk around. So in the front, we are running the hidden carbon winch. So this is a great way to keep the clean and classy front bar and not have a big bull bar on the front. So he has gone and got color coding done from another shop. So it does have color coding fog lights, grille, tinted headlights, which looks pretty impressive in my opinion. Now around the side, you will see it is sitting a bit higher. So we are running the full Carli E-Venture system. Now this has high and low steering stabilizers, radius arms, pretty much all the Carli options we can throw it at. Now we do modify some of them to suit the VDC conversion. Now the beauty of this kit is it is electronically tuned shock. So it does have a sensor in the engine bay which measures pitch and roll, as well as reads all the vehicle parameters. So it has 3 modes, tunes the shock as you drive. You do have Baja, rock mode and street mode, which this drives incredible. Now this does have a wider stance. We are running the Method HD 20-inch wider wheels with a 37-inch Geoland tyre. Now, to keep these tyres covered, we are running smooth flares on the front of this, colour-coded, as well as our kickback mud flaps. Now, being these are really wide offset 37, these are our high clearance version, which still allows turning and articulation without any issues. Around the side, underneath we do have train horns as well as an onboard compressor system for the airbags underneath, which is a Logic IQ and a tank. Now he has gone and got an off-road creative canopy fitted, which is pretty impressive. Now we have done some electrical package on this one, so it is running a full Victron system. So it has every Victron option you can think of. So from twin BC-DC, solar, full servo control system. It is running the Lynx Smart BMS and distributor, as well as inverter, 2 lithium batteries. It has enough power to last off-grid for days, probably weeks actually. It does have solar on the roof. Now we have also fitted 2 of the brand new ARB brushless twin compressors in here. So these are the latest and greatest on the market. They I think they're twice the volume of the old ones and work really well. It does have 2 air tanks underneath, as well as front and rear air outlets. So if you're in the market for any Ford parts, whether it be for an old or new one, or even a Ram or a Chev, give us a buzz and we can help you out.